Here's the following problem using the YouTube application. I press the plus button down here to upload a video. Select which video to upload. I choose, let's say, that one. I tap on next. Unable to preview video. That's the message I receive. If I select the next one, also unable to preview the video. The problem with these two is that those were not created with the phone but using this camcorder. YouTube is halfway reading them, but it's not able to process them, unable to preview. Okay, but if I select both of them, then it's not showing unable to preview, it's showing please check your network connection. So if you receive that message, it's not your network, it's the file type. So with two files selected, check your network connection, and with just one file selected, unable to preview. I can do it multiple times. It's showing the same message, unable to preview with one, and with two, check your network connection. So this is not related to network, it's related to file type. And if I select the third one, there will be no problem. That was created using this phone. So it's not the internet connection's fault, but the file type. These are MTS file extensions. So MTS is not really okay for YouTube, at least not on a mobile device. And the one which worked, that's an MP4. So MP4 is good for the YouTube mobile app.